The land of the kings, जहाँ सूरज sand dunes में डूबता है and the stars shine brighter than the brightest jewels. राजस्थान एक ऐसा स्टेट है जो ब्यूटी के साथ साथ एडवेंचर, ट्रेडिशन और माउथ वाटरिंग खाने के लिए भी जाना जाता है. Hello, salam, namaste, this is Moshmi, aka Miss Many Hands, and welcome to my channel. Welcome to series 2 of an epic road trip across this incredible state जहां हम explore कर रहे हैं its hidden gems, rich culture and making unforgettable memories along the way. हमने अपना रोड ट्रिप राजस्थान के हिस्टोरिक सिटी चित्तौड़गढ़ से शुरू किया. वहाँ से हम गए बूंदी to discover some beautiful hidden gems, and the next destination was the vibrant city of Jaipur. The Pink City of Rajasthan offers traveler a rich blend of history, culture and beauty, with royal palaces like City Palace and Hawa Mahal and impressive forts like Amber Fort and Nahargarh Fort. लेकिन हमने जयपुर को एक्सप्लोर करना शुरू किया बिरला मंदिर से, जिसे लक्ष्मी नारायण मंदिर के नाम से भी जाना जाता है. The temple features stunning architecture with intricate carvings and beautiful depiction of the Hindu deities. The serene atmosphere, especially शाम के टाइम पे, the temple is beautifully lit, makes it a peaceful spot for worship, and if you are coming to Jaipur, it's a must visit. Our next stop was the most Instagrammable place of the City Palace. City Palace में यूजुअली लोग बेसिक टिकट जिसमें पैलेस के कोर्ट्स और गैलरीज इंक्लूड होती है वही लेते हैं, लेकिन वहाँ पे एक और स्पेशल टिकट मिलती है कॉल्ड द रॉयल स्प्लेंडर, with which you can explore the 5 royal rooms of the City Palace. And believe me, it is worth spending on those tickets. Let me show you why. After exploring all the areas of the City Palace, concluded the trip with a shandar cup of coffee with royal ambience and headed to the next destination, the Hawa Mahal. The Hawa Mahal, also known as the Palace of Winds, is one of Jaipur's most iconic landmarks. इस 5-story structure में 953 small windows हैं, which were designed to allow royal women to observe street festival without being seen, जो एक राजपूताना परंपरा थी. Located in the heart of Jaipur, Hawa Mahal offers stunning view of the city and is a must visit for its beauty and historical significance. The best way to experience Hawa Mahal's beauty is from the cafes which are right opposite and offer a perfect view above the bustling city crowd. Some of the cafes to look out for: Tattoo Cafe Lounge and the Windview Cafe. And the best time to visit is in the evenings, as these cafes are a perfect spot to enjoy the stunning architecture with a mesmerizing sunset and a hot cup of coffee. Patrika Gate, a vibrant and colorful gateway, marks the entrance to Jawahar Circle Garden. This 9-gate structure, designed by architect Ramchandra Sharma, showcases intricate marble and stone carvings, depicting Rajasthan's rich cultural heritage. If you want to visit Patrika Gate, the best time is in early mornings, as it's not crowded and you can click pictures at ease.
Briefly stopped by Jal Mahal before heading toward
Amer Fort, a majestic blend of Rajput and Mughal architecture. It boasts intricate carvings, ornate palaces, and stunning views of the lake. Is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and is a testimony to India's rich cultural heritage. Located in between the rugged hill, Nahargarh Fort offers breathtaking views of Jaipur. This majestic fort adorns intricate carvings, whispers the tales of the past. The best time to visit Nahargarh Fort is the evening because it offers a mesmerizing sunset and the view of the entire city from the cafe at the top.